Fog around yesterday morning, not as much because we've got a breeze going on here through the early morning hours, but clear skies showing up. Should be a gorgeous morning to get outside, a little warmer than we have been over the last few as well. Temperatures right now starting into the upper 40s and lower 50s. Live view over Carbondale. All is quiet to begin our day. Should enjoy a real nice warm afternoon. It is going to be a bit breezy though. Winds starting to pick up today out of the south, even stronger winds in here for tomorrow. Now this afternoon, some gusts over 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow we could see some gusts over 25 miles per hour. Of course, it's bringing in a lot of warm air from the south, but eventually, of course, spring-like warmth means spring-like showers and storms. They'll start to arrive into our forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. Quite a bit of wet weather on the way Wednesday and Thursday. It does not look like much in the way of severe weather. More concerned with potentially some heavy rainfall in here. Friday, though, finally the rain clears out of here just in time for the weekend. Gorgeous weekend coming up. So at least we just got to get through the middle of this week. Right now, outside temperatures generally back into the 40s across southern Illinois and into western Kentucky. A little warmer into southeast Missouri. We've got 40 currently in Mount Vernon. Carmi right now at 43. Paducah, you're at 47. Murray at 44. Poplar Bluff, though, up to about 50 degrees. Fredericktown, Missouri, even into the lower 50s at 53. But mostly clear skies over southern Illinois, western Kentucky. We're just tracking a few high, thin clouds there out across parts of southeast Missouri. They're going to be in and out of here throughout a good part of the day today. And what you're seeing there on radar, that little green, what we call ground clutter. No rain actually falling, though, with that. Your precision forecast this afternoon for southern Illinois. Harrisburg today up to about 78. Golconda up to about 77. Westward on 146 there. Vienna at 79. Metropolis up to about 78 degrees this afternoon. Into western Kentucky. Marion, Kentucky, there in Crittenden County up to about 76 degrees. Mayfield in Graves County at 77. Tiptonville, Tennessee, right there on Reelfoot Lake up to about 80 degrees. And likely some mid-70s back into the Missouri Ozarks. Fredericktown up to about 75. Meanwhile, farther to the south, Poplar Bluff approaching 80 degrees. I think we're going to see a lot of 80s around here, though, for tomorrow. So dry today, dry tomorrow, but Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to be tracking a slow-moving storm system. It's likely going to bring multiple waves of showers and storms back into our forecast. This morning, high pressure out across parts of the Great Lakes, keeping things pretty quiet. Warm front to our north. We've got the warmer air pumping in. Now, you see those white lines there. We call those isobars. When they start getting closer together, that's an indication of some stronger winds, so they will be getting close together this afternoon as we see that breeze pick up. The large storm system moving through parts of the desert southwest right now. That is a slow moving system though. So as we work our way into Wednesday, here comes our first wave of showers, likely dealing with some thunderstorms as well. But notice this front very, very slow to work its way in. So even into Thursday, that front not through quite yet. And we do expect multiple waves of showers and storms. I can't rule out an isolated strong storm or two Wednesday afternoon, mainly with some gusty winds and some small hail. But the severe weather risk looks fairly low. But check out some of these rainfall totals, and we'll see where this heaviest rain band actually lines up. But it gives the idea anywhere from about 1.5 inches upwards of about 3 inches of rain may end up being a possibility here as we make our way towards the middle of the week. So again, if you need to get the yard work done, get it done today, get it done tomorrow. Temperatures into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Wednesday and Thursday, here comes the wet weather, about an 80% chance, and we'll have to fine-tune that a little closer, figure out which day is going to be the higher rain chance there. But by the end of the week, the rain clears on out of here. High temperatures into the upper 60s and bouncing right back into the 70s this weekend. In fact, by Sunday, we're back in the upper 70s and some 80s creep their way back into the forecast as we make our way into the early part of next week. So quite the change from last week where we were talking about frost. We even had some snow last Tuesday. Can you believe that, Evie? And this week not going to be the case as we're talking about 80s on the way tomorrow.
All right. Thank you, Nick.